Welcome back. So today we'll learn the different types of cloud. Let me now share my screen. Yeah, so basically there are different types of cloud called as public cloud. We have private cloud, we have hybrid cloud. Okay, so let's look into the three different types of cloud as of now. So it says public cloud. So it says in the public. So the name itself says public. That means everybody can use it, right? So it says in the public cloud, systems and services are accessible to the general public. For example, we have Google, IBM, and Microsoft as some of the public cloud service providers. And we have public cloud, which says it is yes accessible to all, and it is less secure because many people would access it. And it says it's suitable for the information wherein which it the data is not sensitive. Okay, so here comes some of the, I would say, the public cloud architecture where all you can find all of the service providers. Okay, so there are some advantages of a public cloud. So it says the public cloud is less expensive than the private cloud or hybrid cloud because it shares same resources with many customers. And it is also easier to combine the public cloud with private cloud, so it gives more flexibility and it is more reliable as it provides large number of resources from, I would say, the various locations. And if any of the resources fails, then it would be replaced by another. So here comes the private cloud. So as the name suggests, in the private cloud, the systems and the services are being accessible within an organization. And the cloud is basically being operated only in a particular organization and is managed internally by a third party. And some of the advantages of a private cloud, it says it is highly secure because it's designed to the customer's requirements. And, I would say only very certain people are restricted to use it. And it says because the resources are shared from distinct pool of resources. And as compared to the public cloud, it says the private cloud has more control on its resources and the hardware because it is accessed only in the boundary of an organization. Okay. And some of the disadvantages of the private cloud. So it says the private cloud is very difficult to deploy globally and it can be accessed locally only. And the private cloud's cost is more than that of the public cloud. So here comes some of the, I would say, the architecture of a private cloud where you have the managed services, we have software, we have the infrastructure and the storage that is being, only connected to the required, application. So now moving on to the hybrid cloud, which the name says hybrid. It's a mixture of both private cloud as well as the public cloud. So it says in the hybrid cloud, the critical activities are conducted using the private cloud and the non-critical activities are conducted using the public cloud. That means it divides the task into two. Mainly, I would say the information which is more sensitive are being brought into the private cloud, whereas the ones that are really not, I would say at most sensitive, yeah, and which is brought into the public cloud. So the advantages of it is scalable because yes, it gives the features of both, and it says it gives secure resources because of the private cloud and the scalable resources because of the public cloud. So you can have security as well as scalability involved in the hybrid cloud. I would say provided by the hybrid cloud, and the disadvantage is the networking becomes complicated as it involves both of the cloud infrastructures. So that's it for today's session, and we will continue this in the next session. So thank you all.